Today I'm going to show you the Cuisinart Essentials 4-cup chopper grinder. As long as we're in close-up mode, I'm going to show you the buttons. We got one button up here for chop, one button up here for grind. And the way that works, push the chop button, the blade goes one way, and if you push the grind button, the blade goes the other way. If you disengage the top, the safety lever is let go. If you put the top back on and lock it into place, the safety lever is engaged and you're good to go at that point. I have some freshly peeled organic garlic. It's one of my main things that I chop and or grind for cooking. So today we're going to test out this Cuisinart by using some of this stuff. Oh man, I love the smell of garlic. This is just some beautifully chopped garlic. So I think this is one of those kitchen instruments that goes into what I would call the Goldilocks category. Not too big, not too small, just right for some jobs, just small enough that you can store it in almost any kitchen.